We are in the middle of Woodstock at 8 Tannery Brook.
This is a 2-family residence with a commercial space. You gotta come see this waterfall.
Okay, so right now, we're in the first floor apartment, right?
Yep.
And so inside you have 2 apartments. The first is a 2-bedroom, the upstairs is a 1-bedroom. You also have a commercial retail space, right?
Yep.
And so they Airbnb upstairs, you could live down here, right in the middle of town. It's so desirable. What is making Woodstock like this super hot area right now?
Yeah, it's just honestly, it's a big artist community here, right? New York City people love coming here for the weekend. You're about 2 hours from Manhattan, right? Close proximity to Albany. We have farmers markets here, the music venues. It's a big artistic community. Not to mention all the restaurants and everything within walking distance. It honestly has it all here.